Hey everyone, looking for a home to purchase in Holland Village? Look no further, as this will be your dream home. Let me show you around. 785 square feet corner unit located on a high floor, right in the heart of Holland Village. This is a unit not to be missed, and definitely a rare find. Well, if you come along this way, you can see the owner has actually removed the kitchen wall. This allows a vast open view for the entire unit, and especially the airflow is amazing. If you were to open the windows from here and all the way to the utility room and the kitchen, you have a very continuous airflow throughout the entire year. And the luminosity of the unit is amazing. Bright, but not bright, but no west side. Bright, but no west side. Definitely a good area to sit down, chill out, have a cup of coffee, and maybe think of what to wear, because you have 2 rows of wardrobe space.